Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and change our spark plugs. That's from the left side of the bike. These are the two wires. What you need is hold from here, not from the top. You don't want to pull that rubber boot out, but just in case if it come out, no problem. But it just like you hold it from here and you need to pull out like this, and the other one. Okay, always clean around, blue air, clean around so no dust or any particles will go into your cylinders. Okay, get a spark plug socket, will be much easier. Fit on top. So the manual say like change it in 20,000 miles. We are 18 something, so we are very close. So since we're gonna go ahead and change them. Okay, that's one of them, and you see it's very rusty here. Looks good in the top, but we're gonna change it anyway. So let's get the new one and do the gap, and we'll install it. Here's our new ones. I got them from Amazon. Not very expensive. It's expensive compared like to car or any other regular spark plugs. And the gap should be between 0.083 to 0.043 of an inch. I'm not sure if they are pre-gapped or ready or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure the gap here, see if I need to open it or make it a little bit less. So you just like get your gap here and keep moving to see where it stopped. Mine stopped at maybe 0.28, so we need to hit around 0.04. So all what you need to do is just like turn it around and that will help you open your gap. So we keep going this till we get to our gap correct. Okay, we gapped it to 0.040, which you guys can see in the camera here. So that's where I need it to be. So if you guys want to put an anti-seed or your thread or something like this, you can go ahead and do this. Just compare between both. Looks like they are same length, same shape, same everything, so that's good. Now we gonna get our socket. Where did I put the socket? Okay, here we go. So that's an easy way to install your spark plug. You can try to hold it from the ceramic board and go in, but you just like get your socket and stick your spark plug inside like this, and go ahead and install it with your socket. Go easy so that you don't do any cross threading. Should go in easy. If you guys feel like it's not going easy, don't keep going. You don't want to miss the thread in that cylinder or the engine. It's gonna be very, very hard to install it. If you feel your socket is not giving you the right access, you can just try with your hand. The torque specs for the spark plug should be between 12 to 18 foot-pound. I'm not gonna really use a torque wrench. I'm just gonna do with my hand till I feel it's tight. Again, these are very, very small amount of torque, so you don't need really to do a lot of hand force or get like a really torque wrench. Again, it's 12 to 18 foot-pound. You can do it easy by hand like this till it get tight, and that's it. Okay, now right away put your wire back on till it snap. You have to hear the snap. If you don't hear the snap, That didn't go in very well. So go ahead. Sorry, I dropped my light. Yep, here we go. I wish you guys the camera will catch the snap. Now we're gonna move to the other side and do exactly same way. Okay guys, now we're ready to go out. Look at that beautiful one. She is beautiful with that glossy black everywhere with a shiny chrome seat, that cover, the reflector, everything. Also put the mirrors in, so we'll be ready. Let's get started. It sounds great. Look at the LEDs in the front, these headlights and running lights. Looks beautiful. So now we're gonna stop by gas station. We're gonna have some fill it with the new gas, and we're gonna have to adjust the tire pressure because it's been sitting for a long time. Just to let you know guys, it's 36 psi for the front, 40 psi for the rear. So let's head out and go to the gas station first, put some fuel, check the tire pressure, and then let's take it to the highway and see how it performs. Okay guys, we're back in the garage after the first ride. Thank you to my friend who came to help me filming that. I hope it's gonna be a good quality and show you guys everything. I try to have the blinker on all the time, brake, make sure everything work, and it's great experience. It's totally different how you ride Harley than how you ride like your sport motorcycles. The way you sit on it is very, very comfortable, different than the sports styles. I really like that when you hit the blinker, it turns off by itself after a few. So that's nice. You don't have to worry about, oh, I have to go ahead and, you know, the Yamaha and Honda just have like one switch here, move it right or left and put it back in the middle. And if you cannot pull in the middle, it's gonna turn the signal to the other side, which sucks. This one, every side has its own signal. You just like turn off by itself if you didn't turn it off. So that was great. I also found that it gave me here, I wish you guys can see, but when I was on the 6th gear, it tells you that you are in the 6th gear here in that gauge. So that's another good feature, so you don't try to shift up anymore. So I'm really so far happy. Everything seems to work fine. It runs great. I hit up to maybe 90 miles per hour in a certain like few seconds. It didn't go like for a long time, but most of the way we were about like 70-80 miles per hour. It did smooth to reach to that speed. I didn't feel like, oh, it's very slow or anything. Yeah, definitely compared to the sports style, yes, it's slower, but still it smoothly goes with no problem. It sounds great. The only thing I will never wear again was a short because of the heat, especially here where the exhaust is coming out. It was a little bit warm. I have to be careful. I thought that I'm gonna burn myself a couple of times. I have to move my legs away. Again, it's just a tendency that you know, in a sports style you have your leg like this, like that in the back. So I have that still tendency to keep my legs a little bit back, not to front. I have the highway bigs. I'm gonna actually install them in both sides. That might help me put my leg up, especially on the right side. So I try to forget, like try not to put my foot back so I don't get burned in the exhaust. Other than this, I think we'll be done with that project. Maybe we'll do a video on price reveal, maybe a video on how to clean and detail your motorcycle. I'm really want to do this. Quickly got towel and just did the waterless wash and wax quickly today, but actually it's not really deep cleaning for detailing for that bike. It's here like at the engine, that black here, it looks very like matte. I'm not sure if there is any way we can get it a little bit to shine with these chrome lines or silver lines. I have again, that's my first Harley, so I exploring that Harley world, and I enjoyed building that one. I really enjoyed the first, let's say, half an hour of riding it. It's much better than when I more comfortable. Again, it's different style. Everyone has his own opinion about go to a sports style, go to a touring style. My preference for after I did the sports style for a few years and ride for like long distance, my back was killing me. That's why I decided to go with a touring style, which is 30 minutes. Didn't feel it, did go away quick. Maybe less than 30 minutes, about 20 minutes. But again, it was very comfy ride with the backrest and everything. Your back straight all the time. It is great, that experience so far. And that will be it. We'll see if we're gonna make another video for these 2013, but stay tuned till we finish the other one over there, the 2006, the Ultra Classic, the Electra Glide Ultra Classic. Stay tuned for this, guys, and we'll see what we're gonna do with this one. That's my friend one, and we might actually I think if we're gonna do the price reveal, we're gonna do with both bikes, because we have parts that I used some here, we're gonna use some on the other bike. So it's gonna be really hard to like split it and say, okay, that part's worth that much and the other part's worth that much. But like we'll give you an estimate at the end, how much is it cost, how much it costs us to get that from the auction after fees, how much it costs us with the other one from the auction with the fees. And then we'll talk about the parts, what parts I bought brand new, like the saddlebag here was brand new. I wanted to get these extended style saddlebag with a fender filler tip, the extended same level. I got new LEDs. I got like a new outer and inner fairing, because I wanted to go with a glossy in the inner fairing. I got that's also a new one. We got a new LED for bulb for the front, plus we get all that's a new piece, these leg fairings. We got a new LED bulbs all the way around. The rest of the bars actually, the handlebar grips here are new as well. These levers are used with the master cylinder. What else is used? The windshield is used. That chrome piece here is used. The tour pack is used. The seat is used. Again, used, but in a very good condition that I cannot like say, oh no, they are not good. These nice floor board, your foot board, and the brake tip and the shifter tip also all of these were used. Also I got that used one, the front the wheel lock that helped me a lot. So the crash bar here was also used one. So I got multiple bars, used a new one and some new. Again, try to keep it in a budget. If I wanted to keep it more in budget, I wouldn't go with a brand new saddlebags. Keep it like original style. But I wanted to look like this. I wanted to look awesome like this. The extended bag, the glossy black with a chrome finish all the way around. That's what I wanted my Harley to look like, and I am so satisfied and I am so happy with the final end result of that bike. Thank you so much guys for the watch. Please subscribe to our channel, help us so we can stay motivated, get you the other project like this one. We have a boat project coming. We also have a car project that's coming as well. That will be my new daily driver. So stay tuned for that guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.